taping now. Go. Let's see. Go. Rolling.
Go. Oh, I think Santa got us a present.
You gotta talk loud.
Santa got us a present. He did? Oh, he did. What's that for the stuff you think? He's right there. Look. He's right there. Okay. No up there. Okay. Now what are you gonna do? Let's go to the North Pole for a new motorcycle. Yeah. I drive. But I never drive. You don't even know how to drive. Okay, fine. Yeah. Here I go.
Do it again. Push Mario and Luigi again on the motorcycle.
Maybe that wasn't a good idea.
Yeah, let's hit. Push him again.
Okay, let's start it. I had to go. Maybe this time you drive, please. Yeah, I got to drive. To class. You don't know how to drive. Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo.
All done?